Oh, did we get, did y'all get the letters?
I got it.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, court is back in session and calls number 331-042. Case is filed State of Texas versus Leo Randall Jr. Let the record reflect that Leo Randall Jr. is present in court with his attorney Tom Roebuck. And let the record also reflect that the state is present with assistant district attorneys Lamar Johnson and attorney Colby Hawthorne. Let the record reflect that I have received a message from the jury that it has reached a verdict. Will the bailiff please bring the jury into the courtroom? Everyone, please stand. Okay, you may be seated. Let the record reflect that the attorney for the state, the attorney for the defendant, and all members of the jury are present and seated in the courtroom. Okay, who's the full person? Have you reached a verdict in this case? Is the verdict unanimous? One that is agreed upon by all the jurors? Would you please hand the verdict form to the bailiff to be delivered to me for inspection? And Madam Full Person, is the verdict the unanimous verdict of all members of the jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Randall, would you please stand? Okay, in the case, in cause number 331-042, in the case of State of Texas versus Leo Randall Jr., we, the jury, find the defendant not guilty of deadly conduct. Mr. Johnson, would you like to have a jury poll?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Mr. Roebuck, okay. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, first of all, yeah, y'all can be seated. On behalf of Jefferson County, I'd like to thank you for your participation in this jury trial. This jury trial, you were called for jury service, and on yesterday, we picked a jury, and then today we had the testimony and the deliberation and the verdict. And so you've taken time out from your busy schedules to come here under these circumstances. And so, again, on behalf of all the citizens of Jefferson County, staff here and County Code and Law number 2, we'd like to thank you for taking time out from your busy schedules. Now, this will conclude your jury service on this case. The district clerk's office is closed. So if anyone needs to get anything from the district clerk's office, you would have to contact the district clerk office on tomorrow. Our bailiff have some letters that he will give to each and every one of you. When you exit the courtroom, you can, if you desire, you can talk to the attorneys if they desire to talk to you. Now, if you do not want to talk to any of the attorneys, you don't have to talk to any of the attorneys. And again, I'd like to thank you for taking time out from your busy schedules. Now, I normally would shake everyone's hand, but under these circumstances, I won't, but I'm gonna give you an air handshake. Right, air handshake for everyone. And so again, thank you for coming here for these past 2 days. Anytime that you're in the area, in this neighborhood of the courtroom, Please have a seat in this courtroom. I know when you came here on Tuesday, you had your paper, and the paper said County Court at Law Number 2, Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. When you got here, you probably looked over the top of the door and say, oh, this is Judge Holmes' court. I'm in the right place. No, this is not my court. This is your court. You're the citizens of Jefferson County. I'm only an elected official who is honored to serve you as judge of County Court at Law Number 2. So anytime you're in the area, feel free to come by and see what goes on in County Court at Law Number 2. We have some good coffee. I don't know if any of you drank coffee. If you drank water, we have some cold water as well. But at this time, your jury service will end. We need everyone to remove their tags, and we can, you're gonna get those to the bailiff on your way out. And again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time and your attention. At this time, you are excused, and everyone have a blessed day. Oh, Miss Four-Person. He, hold on.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, is it on the list?
You, Einhoff?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's, Lakota, yes, she's number, juror number 4. Juror number 4. Okay, thank you, Ms. Einhoff.
Good. Thank you.
Okay, let me do this here. We need to, okay. And this will conclude, calls number 331-042